up, guys?
What's so funny?
¿Qué onda? Saludos. Yeah, we're about to head to the gym right now. I mean, it's like, what time is it? Like 1:55 a.m. I'm about to hit the gym right now because like tomorrow I'll be busy all day. Well, we're gonna be busy all day, and I'm gonna hit the gym right now. So
that's your neighborhood now.
So tomorrow I don't gotta go to the gym. So yeah, we're going to the gym right now. Yeah, catch up when we get there.
Turn that bitch on before it dies. Turn it off. Okay.
Well, what's going on? Orlando got me over here at the gym late as fuck for no damn reason. Cause I gotta record. Look at this nigga. Look at him, bro.
Yeah, we barely got here.
About to hit chest.
We're about to hit chest and triceps. Chest and triceps, right?
Yeah.
And probably a little bit of shoulders.
We should hit sleep.
But yeah, let's get it.
No, bro.
You go first?
Me?
Yeah.
Chill. I'm tired. I'm going.
For real?
Let's go.
Here, I'll go
Before
first.
the camera died.
I'll go first.
Oh, yeah, I'll go.
Look at this nigga right here, bro. Look at him. Bruh. He swear he buff. Look, he's struggling taking that off. Look at him, bro. Got me. Andres, what time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
Oh, you want me to show?
Yeah, what time is it?
2:18, bro.
Look at what time this nigga got me here at the gym.
But I'm not a dad though.
Look at him.
Little warm up. This
Look at
nigga
him,
gonna
bro.
be stressed out after these. Watch.
You gonna rolling away from him.
You got the D.
Oh. He's strong. he real strong. Oh, hell yeah. Alright guys, so we just got back from the gym and it's already like
What the fuck is guys?
what? Yeah,
No,
we already got back from the gym and it's already like 4 a.m. almost 4.
Feeling big.
But yeah, I'm gonna continue the video in the morning when I wake up.
So get ready for a 30-minute video.
Nah, it's gonna be like 20.
What's it? What?
This is just 20.
It's just 20. But yeah, I'll catch you in the morning then.
Yeah, I'll see an hour of workout.
You get mixed up with
Alright guys, so we just woke up right now and right now we're gonna go put some headers on the truck, hopefully, because it's already kind of late. I mean, we went to sleep late yesterday, right?
Oh yeah, it's like 4 a.m.
Yeah, but hopefully they get us situated. Alright, I'll see you over there. So yeah, we finally got here. It was like an hour drive.
Why you so mad, nigga? Fuck off. I don't like that negative shit. What happened?
We already got here.
What happened?
What they tell you?
What?
What they tell you?
Oh, it was 610 for everything.
For you?
For all the for the 3-inch pipe.
For you?
Yeah.
And you're gonna do 3-inch all the way?
Yeah.
And headers?
Yeah.
Included?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good.
So I mean, if you already have you say you already have yours on right now, or?
I already have headers. No, my headers are over there.
Well, yeah, it's probably gonna be cheaper.
Yeah. A ver qué dicen.
Look at these big boys. Look at that. Hurry up though, nigga, because if you gotta do it, there's a big ass line right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Y'all think I'm playing? Look, nigga, look. There's fucking cam trucks in there. What the fuck I need a cam truck for? Look at these muscles.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go see what's up with them. Now you wanna burn out. He got it. está, güey, dale.
Fuck on me, overcut. Stop playing, bro. That little spin.
Dale, güey. Yeah, my shit is still on the shop. Well, they're still welding that shit. I'm gonna film like this. Yeah, they're still welding that shit. Should I just leave it there, way? I'm gonna leave it here. I'm recording.
Alright, guys.
No, pues ya se hizo. Yeah, we already finished. I came here like at 1. It's already, what time is it?
It's like 4, bro.
It's already like 4:05, but like it's cause my brother,
Go south.
my brother over here, he wanted to come get his exhaust done too. So
Lift up the window so you can hear that.
So I was waiting for him and stuff. But he already finished also, so now we're just gonna go home finally. We still got like an hour drive home. So yeah.
Pasadena to Cypress.
Yeah, we're going from Pasadena all the way to Cypress. But yeah, we got like an hour.
Oh shit.
So now I'll catch on when I get home and see what else we're gonna do. Well, I'll show you how the truck sounds when we get home.
It's a wrap. Oh shit, I didn't even look.
Focus. But yeah, we finally made it home. There you go. Fucking tired. I'm already so tired.
Bending his arms like this.
I'm tired as hell. Are you tired?
Yeah. I'm sleepy, bro. I'm not even tired. I'm just sleepy.
Yeah. So.
Déjame, güey, que me mato este carro.
Dale madre.
Someone just opened the
So yeah, I finally Today I got new headers. We went to go get headers. Right there. Cause my shit had header leak and exhaust leak, so I finally got rid of all that and it sounds cleaner now. Way cleaner. The other ones were all rusty also. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. My brother just got exhaust done. Cause his other exhaust he had, it was flapping too much, so he changed it. He went with the Borla Tech. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, catch y'all next time and subscribe and let me know what y'all want me to do. That's pretty much it. But yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll be recording till next time.